Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on Netflix. You will click here on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will scrolling down until you find Netflix app. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your